Hey guys, welcome to this week's Leap class. I have a very special treat for you because today my friend Sierra, who is in pre-K at Becker, is going to be singing our Leap welcome song with her little sister Michaela. So you guys stand up and sing along with them.
Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one show. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now.
Yay! Thank you, Sierra and Michaela. That was so precious. And if any of you would like to send me a video of you singing the welcome song or the goodbye song, which I realize we haven't been doing, but the goodbye song works too, then I will try to include it in a video coming up. Okay, today we are reading Feathers for Lunch. And for this story, you will need to find the little bell that came in your envelope this week. And if you look, the cat also has a bell here. So every time you see a part of the cat while I'm reading the book, I want you to ring your bell. Here we go. Uh-oh, door's left open, just a crack. My cat is out, and he won't come back. He's looking for lunch, something new. A spicy treat for today's menu. Do you see him down here? His food in a can is tame and mild. So he's gone out for something wild. Oh, don't ring your bell. We don't see him on this page. He's snooping and sneaking. Those birds sure look good. If he could catch one, he'd eat it, he would. But when his bell jingles, birds call a warning. Look, here's his paw right here. Big cat got out early this morning. So every time they hear his little bell jingle, they warn all the other birds that a cat's around. But cats can't fly, and they can't soar. And birds know what their wings are for. So he keeps prowling, hoping to munch. But all he catches are feathers for lunch. The end. And these are all the birds that we saw in that story. The northern cardinal, the northern oriole, a red-winged blackbird, a blue jay, an American robin, a mourning dove, a ruby-throated hummingbird, an American goldfinch, a house sparrow, a house wren, a northern flicker, and a red-headed woodpecker. I wonder if you guys could go outside and find some of these birds. Maybe take your bell and see if it'll scare them away. Okay, let's sing some songs. Okay, let's do a little poem called 5 Eggs and 5 Eggs. 5 eggs and 5 eggs, and that makes 10. Sitting on top is Mother Hen. Crackle, 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 what do you see? A fluffy little chick looking at me. And if you guys have a little bird or a little pom-pom or a little feather, you can put it in your hands while you sing that song and actually have the little chick crack out of the egg. Okay, one more. You guys all got some of these and some popsicle sticks. So what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video, cut out your little trees, and tape them or glue them to your popsicle stick, and then we will do this together. All right, here we go. Pink bird, sitting in a tree. Name all the pink things that you see. Did you guys see anything pink? Can you tell me? Look around. All right. Yellow bird, sitting in a tree. Name all the yellow things that you see. All right, name one thing that's yellow. Good job. Green bird, sitting in a tree. Name one green thing that you see. Red bird, sitting in a tree. Name at least one red thing that you see. Can you guys find anything red? Blue bird, sitting in a tree. Name one blue thing that you see. Nice. Orange bird, sitting in a tree. Name one orange thing that you see. Good job, my friends. All right, today we are going to make a precious little bird using a paper plate. So you guys should have a paper plate. Make sure it's folded in half. And some pipe cleaners, some eyes, a beak, and some feathers. The only thing you need is glue. So your helper, or you could do this too, I bet. It's going to put glue on one side of the paper plate. Make sure you do not cover that little hole right there. We still need that little hole, okay? And then you're going to glue the feathers on that we gave you. Okay, and then you're going to flip it over and add glue to this side of the plate. And glue your feathers on again. There we go. And if you want to cut your feathers in half, you can, just to make more. Okay, now this little hole that's down there at the bottom, you're going to take your pipe cleaners, and you can do one at a time or you can do two at a time, and you are going to stick them through the holes on both sides. So it should go all the way through like that. Okay, oops, that feather came off. Okay, and then you are going to bend them up, kind of twist them around each other. Okay, so these are your bird's tail feathers. Let me add a little bit more glue to this guy. This guy doesn't want to stay down. There we go. That'll help them, I think. Okay. Now, we're going to take our eyes. So your feathers are on this side. On the other side, we're going to put an eye on this side. And see how the folded part is at the top? That's your top of your bird. And then on this side, oop, that one's gonna go on his feather. I'm gonna put another eye. Okay, and then right in the middle, right in between the two plates, we are going to stick our beak. There we go. Okay, now look guys, your bird, the part that's open on the bottom, he will stand up and you have a little rocking bird. There you go. Now you have... Okay, my friends, I loved reading to you today and doing some poems and working on some art projects. I hope you guys enjoyed it too, and we are going to sing the goodbye song now because I keep forgetting, so here we go. Touch the stars all the way up on your tippy toes. Touch your toes. Turn around and touch your nose. Wave down low and wave up high. Now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you guys next week. Have a great day and a very happy Passover if you're celebrating Passover, and a very happy Easter if you're celebrating Easter.